Hopefully, you've been following along in the free algebra workbook. Yes, there are many math problems, but there is a method to the madness. Remember our discussion on pattern recognition. Math reasoning teaches you to break down problems in a step by step way. You, the problem solver, recall that life is a collection of problems, both big and small. Great problem solvers are considered invaluable, whether for industrial inventions, political prowess, scientific discoveries, military strategies, etc. Finding solutions is the progressive extension of individuals, groups, or society. Now, on to division. With division, you must go left to right. Following order of operations, you get the answer. You have 16 divided by 4 divided by 2. If you go right to left, you will get a different answer. So at this time, follow the rules. Practice and practice some more. See the description below for the free algebra book workbook.